Good afternoon all. So today we'll study the even odd program in Python. So here in this case, we'll take one input, one number from the user side, and after that we'll check whether that number is even or the odd number. So here first we need to take the input from the user side and we'll store that value in a num variable. So num is equal to integer in bracket. We need to use the input function. So input function, it always returns the string value. Okay. So whatever the input you are taking from the user side, it is always in a string format. We need to convert it into the integer format. So here we have taken the input from the user side, which is the num variable. That input is stored in num variable. Now we'll check whether if that value that number is equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, then print that number is a odd number. After that we'll check whether that number is divisible by the 2. Okay, if that number mod 2 is equal to 0, means that number is divided by the 2. Okay, it means that number is a even number. So we'll print it here that the number is a even number. If both the conditions are false, if number is not equal to 1 and that number is not divided by the 2, then we'll print it as a odd number. Okay. We'll run this program. Enter number. Suppose you have taken the input as a 1. 1, it will give you the output that it is a odd number. We'll run this program for the value, suppose 68. 68, this number is divided by 2. So here it is a even number. Now again we'll run this program. And suppose 19 value is taken from the user side. As this value is not divided by the 2, it means it is a odd number. So it will print that this one is the odd number. Thank you.